everyone, welcome back to KS Math Academy. In the previous video part 1, exercise 2.2, we have done up to 8 problems and this is our 9th problem. Tan of 1 by 2, within bracket we are having two terms. First term is sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square and second term is cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. We know the formula sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square. And similarly, we know the formula for cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So now if you compare your first term with your sin 2x and then here 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Compare this, you can take your x as your tan x. So in your first term, you can consider x will be is equal to tan x. And for the second term, comparing your items and y will be taken as your tan again. So in order to differentiate your x and y, here we are considering this x will be equal to tan theta and y will be equal to tan phi we can consider. So in order to differentiate, we are taking theta and phi. So now you substitute your value. So tan of 1 by 2 times sine inverse of 2 into x is tan theta. So 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. In the middle we are having plus sign. Cos inverse of coming to the second term, y is taken as tan phi. So 1 minus tan square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi. So this is our items. So now this is nothing but your sine 2 theta and this is nothing but your cos 2 theta. And here we are taking phi, so cos 2 phi. So tan of 1 by 2 times. So sine inverse of sine 2 theta plus cos inverse of cos 2 phi. Now you can simplify your item. So cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta and here cos 2 phi, sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So tan of 1 by 2 times sine inverse sine of 2 theta. So on simplification we are getting simply 2 theta. And similarly cos inverse of cos of 2 pi. On simplification we are having 2 phi. So you can take 2 outside. So tan of 1 by 2 times 2 into theta plus phi. And this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So we are left out with tan of theta plus phi. Now this is of the pattern tan of a plus b. So here a value is theta and our b value is phi. So tan of a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So now substitute your value. So tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. So what is our data? What is your tan theta? Look at your data. So here tan theta will be taken as x and tan phi will be taken as y here. So now substitute your data. Tan theta is x plus tan phi is y divided by 1 minus again tan theta is x, tan phi is y. So x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is our final answer. Coming to the next question, sine inverse of sine of 2 pi by 3. So you can write your 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3. If you are taking LCM, then that will be 2 pi by 3. So sine inverse of sine of pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 in the sense it will be in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So sine inverse of sine of pi by 3. So on simplification, we are getting pi by 3 is our final answer. And our next question is tan inverse of tan of 3 pi by 4. Like your similar previous problem, 3 pi by 4 can be taken as pi minus pi by 4. So tan inverse of tan of pi minus pi by 4. So pi by 4, pi minus theta. So pi minus theta is in our second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive, other terms are negative. So here we are having tan. So tan of negative pi by 4. On simplification, our final answer will be minus pi by 4. Hello. Coming to the next question. Tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. So let us take this part as our x and this part as our y. So we will get tan of x plus y pattern. So x is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. So sine x is equal to 3 by 5. And from here you can calculate your cos x value. So root of 1 minus sine square. So sine square is root of 1 minus 9 by 25, that will be equal to root of 16 by 25. So it is 4 by 5. This is our cos x. From this you can calculate your secant x 5 by 4 and tan x is nothing but secant square root of secant square x minus 1. So from here you can apply your data. Secant x is equal to 5 by 4. So root of 5 by 4 is 25 by 4 minus 1. So you can get your value as 9. Sorry, this is not 4. This is 4 square 16. So 25 by 16 minus 1. So 9 by 16. So which is equal to 3 by 4. And similarly, you have to take your next data as your y. So y is equal to cot inverse of 3 by 2. So cot y is equal to 3 by 2. Then tan y is simply 2 by 3. So now you can use your formula tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So now substitute your value. Tan x value is 3 by 4 and tan y value we got it as 2 by 3. Substitute those values and 1 minus of 3 by 4 times 2 by 3. If you simplify this, you will get your answer as 17 divided by 6. So this is our final answer for this problem. Coming to the next question, cos inverse of cos of 7 pi by 6 is equal to, we are given with the options here. So cos inverse of cos of the 7 pi by 6 can be written as 2 pi minus 7 pi divided by 6. Then it will fall in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So we can remove cos inverse and cos together. That is why we are doing like this. So cos inverse of cos of, if you take the LCM and simplify, then we will get 5 pi by 6 and cos inverse remove. So 5 pi by 6 is our final answer. Where is our 5 pi by 6? Option B is our answer. And coming to the next question, sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So if you simplify this data, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is nothing but sine inverse of this data is, you can consider like this, minus of and 1 by 2 in terms of sine is sine pi by 6. So we know the data, sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So you can apply that formula here. So sine inverse of sine of negative pi by 6. So this is the data. So the simplification here we got it as minus pi by 6. Now go to this part here. So sine of pi by 3 minus, here already we have one more minus. So plus pi by 6. If you simplify, then you will get sine of 3 pi by 6. That is nothing but sine of pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value is 1. So option D is our answer. Meet you in the next video. Until then, it is bye from Dr. KS.